Can I know the remember this? See this life? Now can Black go one person show. Now my boy, Kelly Black and I, he not even my boy. He was Kevin Dead boy. And Kevin is my boy. So he's my grand boy.
Every day I'm hustling.
You know what? Me and I got a Wakago one show for Muslim Center. Address when? Interest. 3 years ago, Lawrence Kosher is here. 9-1 game. Just stop. I said that us. I don't know if I can him stop. I said, please can I take a picture with you? Very humble boy, you. I'm virgin. I think you're second. The one who went to Ghana, I know the question you were asking me. Good. It's following my step. Keep it up. Even my conscience, trust me. And I'm saying my conscience, they walk now today. Ladies and please, can you take a picture with us? Can I take a picture with you? I got to say, now we be the celebrity. 3 years ago, let me tell you, if you remember, I call stand. I call post. Like, who they want snap with? Kenny John Day, you own. Now they get stand for our video. God bring the phone. Say, please take me at this celebrity. Daddy, I'm not fit perform. I didn't think I said, which they go snap with me. Now the hustle has paid.
Look at that. Can you see what God has done? Look around.
Yes. Somebody say I'm ugly. You did this. You know what to be ugly? You know what to be ugly? See my sister there. I'm maybe the finest boy.
Don't need the fine boy.
For my family. See my sister. Where? Ojiko. Lala. I'm not 5 hours. My sister says small. Alright. You know where I go for it from Aja, they go really tomorrow. What you know, say I'm if I pass for our family. When my grandpapa died, he no get bishop. I don't want to do burial poster. No say you know if you do burial poster without the bishop. You go say he died. Now from Lagos, I send my bishop through WhatsApp. Go. Now they like this boy grandfather is great. I got some stuff. Prada on my back, Louis on my feet, Gucci on my wrist. I'm a big. God, thank you. Now, you are staying with person, go home now. If you are married and your wife is not here and your wife will control you, go.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home.
Put your hands together for DJ Kese. Now, this store is, I'm sharing my story. Some people say, that moment just come out. Kenny Black, person go tell you, say, the soccer just come out from nowhere. You don't believe? I entered Lagos 2008, May 2nd.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
When I see people misusing their talent, now see finish abi. Don't be involved. If the Yahoo money do work, if you're there. You don't try. You win. I said do Yahoo 18 years. Even base, you know. Now the father answer, what they use for this Yahoo? Say that. My brother say, why you not convert her? Download people's song. You go far.
You are looking at me very soon. You can hear what's happening. I'm coming out.
Yeah, more than that, you are saving for the first time. You're coming to my church for the first time. We know the complete joke. That's small we talk. Where is Harris money? I see money. Organize okay, well. Yes, we met at the Santos 5 days ago. He said that my program need a watch for Turkey. What's he give you? He won't buy drink. Okay, so what you give me? And you get pride, hold on. Come on, pick them. Drop it in the altar of God. No, you don't plan that one. You don't plan that one, you don't plan that one. Now I kill you, I kill you. Not they use people line. Now your line, they dig this line. Now why? Let your pay. How much did you say? Oh! What can I say? You won't give me money. Come on, pick money. Now why? If you make money, you get pride. Not display, pick up. Now, Zulu get a bit. He good though.